It's really nice to be here at your site at Krones.
Good morning, Robert. Welcome to Krones. It's great to have you here. I think this is a perfect place to experience a company with more than 60 years of tradition in mechanical engineering, and that it's at the same time very innovative in the field of digitalization and industrial IoT.
The right place for our presentation, for our content which we have to present today. A significant time to get deep insights in cybersecurity aspects of a company which produces products as Krones, which are distributed all over the world and where remote services and management from outside is keen for your business.
Yeah, maybe you don't see Krones products in a shop if you go there, but every day millions of glass bottles, of cans, of PET containers run through a Krones line. So that's why probably many of the products you have were in touch with some Krones line. And as a supplier for complete systems, Krones provides breweries, beverage bottlers and food producers all over the world with individual machines, but also with complete production lines and plants. In addition to that, with our digitalization solutions, we increase productivity of our customers. And for digitalization, reliability and trust is key for us. And that is why security also in our products, not only in our internal IT, but also for our products, is a such important topic for us now and especially in the future.
It's really like a gift that we have you in this role here, and also ransom demands correspond to the enormous damage potential it has.
You can be sure it's a huge amount if you think about thousands of bottles or cans running through a line per hour, maybe 60, 80,000 per hour, and if you have a business interruption of several hours or days, that would cause significant damage. And we've seen that damage all over the industry in many companies, many mechanical engineering companies that in the past thought, oh, security, that's not a big thing for me, but they were affected by ransomware and they had production outages of days or even weeks and damages up to several millions of euros.
So this makes this field so interesting for criminal organizations with a growing tendency, with a growing phase.
Definitely, it's a business.
Right.
But only on the wrong side.
On the wrong side.